funny how Bessie turned into my end. I must be playing peekaboo, cause these hoes really can't see me. Beauty by Bree. Real motherfucking hot girl shit.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to be doing another revealing PR unveiling today, but before I get into show you guys what I bought, what I got from my first PR package, what I got from this company, I'm gonna need you guys to, you already know the drill. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and if you aren't subscribed, make sure you do that, and if you are, welcome back. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at Vibewitbre, _2_, and follow my beauty page, which is now Bree's Boutique, _3_. All the links to that will be in the description box below. So today's video, like I said, I'm going to be doing like a little bit of an unboxing video. So recently I became a brand ambassador for Simply Crowned. Oh my god, I was gonna say cosmetics. Simply Crowned Organics. So this company specializes in making hair care products, skincare products, and everything is organic and vegan. So, and this is also a black owned company. So I'm going to be having the links to her website, or the links to her like information that I want you guys to know about will be in the description box below. So if you're interested in getting any of the products, make sure you guys shop and use my code, which is Bree2021. That'll also be in the description box below as well. So I was already going to open up the package because I was a little bit excited to just get to it, but then I remembered like, oh yeah, let me show you guys what I got as well. Duh. So I had to cover my address on there, but the fragile like gets it for me, even though, you know, USPS and all the post people don't believe in what fragile means, you know. Oh, all right, so when I first opened it up, I'm introduced to the business card, which is really gorgeous. I like this is the main thing that's really cute. So it has her email and her Shopify, her website, her Twitter, her Facebook, and her Instagram. So all these links will literally be in the description box below. So make sure you check it out, follow. Excuse me. I thought that was a YouTube. So like I said, make sure you guys follow and support. Okay. So, and the next thing is a thank you note. It says, "Thank you for your order. We do hope you like our products as much as we do. Remember to share your pictures of your natural beauty journey with our products and tag us. We'd love to see it." Again, it has Twitter, Facebook, and the Instagram on here. And then again, it has right here what you've ordered right here. Might not need that. Alright, then it's packaged up in a nice, my favorite color by the way, nice blue tissue paper, neatly wrapped up. Alright, so sad to throw it away, it's my favorite color. Ooh, alright, so I got a hair bonnet, great, because I needed one of these like ASAP. My other hair bonnet decided to, you know, do its own thing and started unraveling for some odd reason, but I'm glad I got a bonnet because I needed it. And I have a nice satin pillowcase. So I'm gonna open up my pillowcase. Also satin, if you don't have a satin pillowcase, definitely switch over and get a satin pillowcase. They work perfectly with your hair and your skin as well. Oh, this is a really big pillow. This is a really big pillowcase. I don't know why. Or this is the normal size of the pillowcase. Oh, this is a big pillowcase. All right. So my pillowcase says "Sweet Dreams" on it. I love the texture. I'm definitely going to have in the description box below as well the key benefits to having a satin pillowcase. I just know the main two is that it really helps your hair not break and your face not break out as much either. It's really great for your skin. All right, so I'm gonna open up my Bonnet as well. Just about to put this one though soon. It says wash this item separately in cold water before and after use to avoid dye running. Okay, sounds great. Okay. Ooh, the scratchiness for me. Oh, so as I was saying, this is the elastic in my other Bonnet broke. Let me see. Oh, I love how tight that feels on my head. That feels amazing because I got a very tiny head. Like literally, I got a really tiny head. Oh, I'm putting this on tonight. Like, that's not going back nowhere. And I gotta see if this pillowcase fits my pillow. This is really, really big. I love my product so far, but I know on her website she has products from literally like hair shampoo, hair conditioners. It's so many hair products. So I'm trying to like figure out how I want to say it in this order. Condition, like all of this stuff is organic, and all of these items, products she's made, shampoo, conditioner, like I said, there's hair growth oil, which I will be getting the next time. There's a mango curl and wavy gel also on the website that keeps, you know, keep your curls going. So like I'm gonna show you guys a couple of photos on her Instagram page. There's also for people that love like that's into skincare like me, there's a new product that just got released not too long ago. It's the 24K gold shining gel mask, and it's literally only $5. You can't beat that price. And like I said, you guys can use my discount code at checkout to even save more coins. So like literally this is one photo on the page. Ugh, how do I like get that like dimmer? There we go. Ooh, I didn't mean to make me dimmer. But like this is one of the pictures on the page that she posted of someone using the cocoa shea hair butter. Like she makes hair butter as well, and I think that's really, really amazing. I'm gonna go and tell you some more items that are on the website as well, because I don't want to give you guys false advertisement. I just became a brand ambassador not too long ago, so I'm still a little bit fresh to items that she's selling right now. She also has a rose detoxifying face and body scrub. So what I get next on my PR package, I will be definitely doing an in-depth review about that, and that probably will be in the next 2 weeks from now. But so far I have the satin pillowcase and the Bonnet, and I absolutely love those so far. But in my next PR package, I know I'm going to be getting where did it go? I'm going to be getting, like I said, the hair growth oil for my hair. Okay, here we go. That's what I was looking for. I'm going to be getting that. I'm also going to be getting the Scalp Detoxifying Rose Scrub. I've never heard of a scrub just meant for your scalp, so I'm really dying to try that out, see how that works out. And I'm also going to get a hair hydration mist. This is going to keep your hair moisturized throughout the day so it doesn't dry out. And last but not least, I'm going to get the organic eyelash enhancer serum. I mean, I have pretty long eyelashes as well, but you know, who don't want to make their eyelashes grow a little bit longer? So I'm gonna definitely get those because I could probably use it on my eyebrows anyway, of course, too. And I'm going to go in and do an in-depth review about those products as well. But so far, I really love this company. She's a really sweet person, and I love everything in my package so far today. So make sure you guys check her out if you're looking for natural, organic hair care products and skincare products as well. That's all there. And everything, like I said, is 100% organic, and she's a Black-owned company. So all the links to like her face, I believe she had Facebook, yes, her Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, her website will be in the description box below. Like I said, make sure you guys follow and support her brand, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye. Oh, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you guys watch the other videos as well.